Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise which is quadrilateral, and in that chapter we discuss all the important questions, all the important topics, all the important theorem related to them, and also we take and solve some important questions based on quadrilaterals. Okay dear students. Now dear students, in that class we are going to take and discuss the very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is Heron's formula. Okay, dear students, generally the use of Heron's formula, we use the Heron's formula in finding the area of triangle ABC when its sides are given. When its all sides ABC are given, okay, then we use the if in any triangle, if the all its three sides are given, then in that condition we apply the Heron's formula for finding the what? For finding the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, dear student, you know that already. See the general formula to finding the area of triangle. Suppose that here ABC is a triangle. Suppose that ABC is a triangle, and if we draw AL, suppose that we draw AL perpendicular to BC. Suppose we draw AL perpendicular to BC. Okay, that is the condition. This is the what? This is altitude or height. Okay, and this is your base. This is your what? Base. Then in that condition, the general formula for area of triangle, then the formula of area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. 1 upon 2 into base into height, and from that figure 1 upon 2 into base is what? BC, into height is what? AL. So this is the formula for that. This is the formula for that. Okay, we mean it is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay, this is a very important formula for to finding the area of triangle ABC. Okay dear friends, now dear friends, we are going to discuss about the Heron's formula and use of Heron's formula to finding the area of triangle ABC. Now let's see what is the concept of Heron's formula. Let's see. Suppose that dear friends, let ABC, let dear friends, ABC is a triangle in which all its three sides are A, B and C respectively. Okay, and we find the area of that triangle. Okay, then Heron's formula is means area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, in square root, S minus A, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the formula of Heron's. Okay, this is the Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle ABC when its are three sides are different and which are given. And here ABC are the sides of the triangle ABC. Okay, here A, B, C are the sides of the triangle ABC, and S is semi perimeter. S is what? Semi perimeter, and the concept of to find the formula for S is from formula for perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2. S is what? Semi perimeter, and you know that perimeter is what? The sum of its all sides. So the semi perimeter is what? The sum of its all sides divided by 2. So this is called the semi-perimeter. This is the very important relationship between them. Okay. Thus, so this is the formula. This is the Heron's formula, and so in dear friends, in the help of this formula, we find the area of triangle ABC when its all different sides are given. Now, dear friend, we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise based on Heron's formula. Let's see, dear friends. Let's see, we find the area of the triangle whose sides are. The question is find the area of the triangle whose sides are 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. This is the question here. Okay, what we find? We find the area of triangle. Now let's see its solution. Dear friends, suppose that this is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle ABC. Suppose that this is the triangle ABC, and in which here side A is equal to given as 13 centimeter. Side B is what? This is 14 centimeter, and side C is what? 13 centimeter. Okay, and what we find? We find the area bounded by that triangular figure. That triangle. Right? We find the area of triangle ABC. So just we find the area of triangle ABC by using the Heron's formula. Let's see. So since we know that the formula of the semi-perimeter. The formula for the semi-perimeter S is what? This is A plus B plus C upon 2. So the value of S is what? A. The value of A is what? 13 plus B is what? 14 plus C is what? 15 divided by 2. Okay. Thus the value of S is what? 42 upon 2, that is 2 to the 4, 2 on the 2, that is the value of semi-perimeter is what? 21 centimeter. Okay, thus in this way we get the value of S, means the value of semi-perimeter is 21. Now we use the Heron's formula. Thus by Heron's formula, by Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is what? In under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C respectively. Okay, now let's see. Value of S is what? This is 21 into, this is 21 minus A is what? This is 13 into S minus B, means S means what? 21 minus B is what? 14 into S means what? 21 minus C is what? 15. Okay. Now what I do? We just simplify them. So we get, let's see. This is 21 into 21 minus 13. This is 8. Now this is what? 21 minus 14. 21 minus 14 is what? Just remain 7. Now into, this is 21 minus 15. Dear student, 21 minus 15 is what? Let's see, 6. Now we first of all we do their prime factorization. Okay, now let's see. We can write 21 as 7 into 3. We can write say 8 into 4 into 2. We write 7 as it is, and we write 6 as 3 into 2. Now look, 7 is in pair to 7 common out from the square root. Okay, now let's see. Here 3 also in pair, so 3 is also common out from the square root. Now you know that the square root of 4 is what? 2, dear students. So we write 2, and let's see, 2 is also in pair, so we take 2 common out from the surds or square root. Okay. Now let's see. We multiply them. This is 21 into 2 to the 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 8 the 4 to the 8. 84 centimeter square. 84 centimeter square. This is the required area of triangle ABC. This is the required area of triangle ABC. Okay, dear friend. So this is the question based on Heron's formula. So dear friend, please do more and more practices of that type of question, and after that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Now we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus based on Heron's formula. Let's see. Let's see, dear friend, we take some other important question of Heron's formula. Let's see, dear friends. Find the area of triangle. The question is find the area of triangle. Okay, find the area of triangle whose side, two sides of which are two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and the perimeter is and the perimeter is 32 centimeter, and the perimeter is what? 32 centimeter. This is the very important question of your syllabus. Okay, so let's see, dear friends. Let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that type of question? Okay, in that question, only two sides are given, and the perimeter of the triangle is also given. So let's see its solution. First of all, let the first side is what? 8 centimeter, and second side B is what? 11 centimeter. And first of all, we find its third side. Suppose let's see. First of all, we find the third side of that triangle, and here this is perimeter is what? Perimeter is given as 32 centimeter. That is the semi-perimeter S is what? 32 upon 2. This is what? 16 centimeter. The value of S is what? S is the semi-perimeter, na? And semi-perimeter is what? Half of the perimeter. So in this way we get the value of S as 16 centimeter. Now, dear friend, you know that very well that the sum of all sides of any triangular figure and any geometrical figure is called its perimeter. Thus, we know that since we know that perimeter is equal to sum of its all sides, means A plus B plus C. That is the value of A put as what? 8, value of B 11 plus C, find that, and perimeter is what? Is just 16. Thus we get this is 19 plus C is equal to 16. No, this is 32. Sorry, perimeter is 32, no? Yes. So this is 32 and this is 32. Okay. Now that is the value of C. Third sides of that triangle is 32 minus 19. That is C is equal to 13 centimeter. In this way, dear friend, the third side of the given triangle is what? 13 centimeter. Now we use the Heron's formula and we find the area of triangle ABC. Thus, by Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to, in square root, S S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, dear students. Now what I do now, we put the values of S, A, B, C. Okay, let's see the value of S. S is what? Semi-perimeter. This is 16 into this is 16 minus A. A is what? 8 into S minus B means 16 minus B is what? This is 11. Okay, now S minus C. S is what? This is 16 minus C is what? 13. Now we simplify them. This is 16 into 16 minus 8 is what? This one 16 minus 8, just remaining 8. So here we write 8 into 16 minus 11, so we get 5 only, into 16 minus 13, that is 3. Now let's see. Now we 16 write as it is. Now 8 write 4 into 2, and we write 5 is a 15. Okay, now let's see. The square root of 16 is what? 4. The square root of 4 as what? 2. And in square root we get 15 to the just 30. Okay, now let's see. 4 to the 8 in square root 30 centimeter square. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay, this is the required solution of the given question. Hence there, in this way we can say that the perimeter of that, the area of the given triangle is what? 8 under root 13 centimeter square. Centimeter square is why? Because of the area always in square unit. Okay, and sides or length always in unit, centimeter or meter or millimeter. Okay, so in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take some other important question based on Heron's formula. Let's see. Now we take in for some important question of Heron's formula. Let's say this means a path in the shape of quadrilateral. This is very important question. A path in the shape of quadrilateral. Okay, a path in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD, in the shape of the quadrilateral ABCD has angle C as 90 degree, has angle C as what? 90 degree, AB 9 meter, AB is equal to, the side AB is equal to 9 meter, the length BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter, and AD is equal to 8 meter. 8 meter. Okay. How much area does it occupy? How much area? How much area does it occupy? Let's see its solution. Dear student, this is a very important question of your syllabus. So please let's concentrate on that question. Okay, first of all, in that question we form a figure based according to our statement. Let's see. ABC is a quadrilateral, no? And angle C, in which angle C is what? 90 degrees. So let's see. First of all, we form a quadrilateral. A, B, C. Angle C is 90 and D. Okay, now let's see. And dear student, in that question, here angle C is 90 degree, AB is 9. This is 9 meter, the side AB of the quadrilateral. This part the length of the bar side AB as 9 meter. Okay, BC as what, 12 meter. This is 12 meter, dear friends, and CD as 5. CD as what, 5 meter, and AD is what, 8 meter. Okay, AD is what, 8 meter. Now let's see, dear friends. We find the area of that triangular quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, first of all we had to do some construction in that figure. What is the construction is there? We just join BD. Let's see. First here we write ABCD is a quadrilateral in which angle C is equal to 90, and we join BD. Okay, since first of all in B angle triangle BCD is what, is a right angle triangle. Since triangle BCD is a right angle triangle, that is angle C is what, 90 degree. So BC, the side BD as hypotenuse, so we apply the Pythagoras property in that, Pythagoras theorem in that triangle. So that is BD square is equal to what, base BC square plus height CD square. Okay, now in this way, first of all we find the length BD square as BC is what, 12 square, that is 5 square. So this is 144 plus this is 25, that is 169. Okay, that is the side BD is what, in square root 169, that is 13 centimeter. In this way we get that side BD as what, 13 centimeter. So dear friend, we find what? We find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. For finding the area of that quadrilateral, first of all we find the area of triangle BCD. After we find the area of triangle DAB. Then adding them, after that we get our result as the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So first of all, for triangle BCD we apply the formula 1/2 base into height, because of this is the 90 degree and this is height and this is base. So we just apply that formula. We don't use here the Heron's formula. Okay. Now for triangle BCD, area of triangle BCD is equal to what? Area of triangle BCD is equal to what? Let's see, BCD is equal to what? 1/2 into base into height. Now let's see. So we write 1/2. This base is 12 and height is what? 5. Now 2 6 are 12. So 6 5 are 30 meter square. So 30 meter square is the area of triangular region BCD of the park. Okay, what is the given value? This is 30 meter square. Okay, now what we find? Now in triangle ABD we use the Heron's formula. For finding the area of triangle ABD. Now for triangle ABD, let A is 9 meter, second side BC B as what, 8 meter, and C is what, 13 centimeter. That is, first of all we find the semi-perimeter is what, A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 9 plus 8 plus 13 upon 2, 9 8 17, 13 upon 2, 30 upon 2, that is 15 meter. So 15 meter is the semi perimeter of the given triangle, area of triangle A. Okay, thus area of triangle DAB is equal to, we apply the Heron's formula. We apply what? Heron's formula, which is what? S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So for that we get what? S means what? This is 15 into 15 minus 9 into 15 minus 8 into 15 minus 13. So we get what? Let's see. This is 15 into 15 minus 9, that is what? 6. Okay, 5 minus 8, that is 7, into 15 minus 3, 13, that is 2. Okay, now let's see. We get as what? Here we write 3 into 2. Okay, now let's see. 5 into 3. 5 into 3 into, we write 6 as 3 into 2. Okay, now 7 write as it is, and we write 2 as it is. Okay students, now let's see. 3 is in pair, 2 is also in pair. So let's see, this is 3 is common out and 2 is also common out, and in square root 5 7s are 35. In square root 35 we get here. So we get what? 3 to the 6 into under root 35. Now what we find? We find the square root of 35. Let's see. We assume the square root of 35 is 0, 1. No, 5.9 something. So here we write 6 into 5.9 something. So we get 6 9 are 54, carry 5. This is 35.4 centimeter square. Thus, in this way, we get the area of triangular region ABD as what? 35.4 meter square, and also we find the area of triangle BCD as what? 30 meter square. Now let's see. Thus the area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle DAB. Okay, now we adding them, and area of triangle BCD is what? This is 30 meters. This is 30 meter square, plus area of triangle DAB is what? This is 35.4 meter square. So finally we adding them, we get what? 65.4 meter square. This is our required solution of the given equation. Okay, dear students. Thus, dear students, in this way, okay, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. Dear student, in that question, first of all, what I do, we form a figure according to statement. After that, this is 90 degree. So in that triangle, for that triangle we apply the Pythagoras theorem, we find that, and we find the area of triangle BCD by the help of the formula 1/2 base into height. Okay, because of base or height are given in that figure. Now after that, in for triangle DAB, we apply the Heron's formula, because of in that region, that triangle, we find all its different sides of the triangle. No? So we apply Heron's formula, and we get, after solving them, we get the area of that. Now area of the quadrilateral is what? We adding both area of both the triangle, which we find here. So in this way we get our final result. Okay, dear students. So first of all, you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class. After that, you solve your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Now in next class, we take and solve some other important chapter of your exercise. Now thanks to all.